vehicle that is seen on screen is what we call in the industry a picture car, and Gladys and I are about to take you inside of our transportation department. Have your cameras out and ready, because here we go. 2008 Knight Rider Series KITT car, Tom Selleck's Ferrari 308 from Magnum PI. The futuristic cars of 2015 from Back to the Future Part 2. And if you're an environmentalist who shops at Whole Foods like I am, you'll appreciate the Flintstones cars. They definitely went green. And I can't talk about cars without talking about the Fast and the Furious, one of the biggest movie franchises in history. And we just got in the Gyrosphere from Jurassic World, which came out in 2015 with Chris Pratt and Bryce Dallas Howard. A very famous musician, he made a cameo in Jurassic World. Take a look.